circles shining so bright, waters of healing flowing with song, carry our spirit